Okay, now see the dress. There is a round neck and armhole, which I am going to do today. Neck facing with the cross putty. Now I am going to take one cross putty. I am going to take it externally, but I am going to show you today how to cut also. So after drafting this dress, after drafting this dress, front and back both, I have some spare piece of cloth left with me. So this is my extra cloth of piece which I got it. Now I can use it for my cross putty, or you say for the binding purpose. Okay, so I'll just show you now this, how I'm going to cut this. So I will just see the maximum width of the cloth. So here I am getting good piece of cloth. I have removed one extra small piece. Now I have this beautiful big piece. Now first thing what I will do, I will take a scale which is not more than 1.25. So I will try to take a scale which is 1.25. So my scale is, yes, 1.25. So I have taken this scale, and now you can see this cloth and you can see this corner piece. This is a corner part. On that corner part, I will just mark on the center, and I will take my scale center and I will keep it on that. So it's very easy job. See, you can see here, I have taken the center of my scale and I have kept it on this. And same thing here also. And then what I am going to do, very easy. I am just going to draw one line here, and I am going to draw just one line here, and just come little further so I can extend it more and make a big strip. So just take it properly and make a long strip. So why I have taken like this and not like this? Because this way it is a straight. If I want to stretch it, it will not stretch. This way also it is straight. If I want to stretch it, it will not stretch. But if I take cross from this border, this corner, and I am taking this putty for my binding, and I am stretching it, see, it is stretching so much. This is called cross bias, which I am going to take it for my round neck. Now I am going to cut this. It's not hard process, it's really very easy thing. Just you have to see that you get a bias cloth. So I always use this wooden scale which has measurement of 1.25, and I cut this. But it's not compulsory that you should take the wooden scale only. You can measure also and cut. Always you will not have a wooden scale handy. So what you should do, you should take here 1.25. So 1.25 is our target. So you can take here 1.25 and mark. It is a little hard, and not hard, time consuming. So see, we have to keep marking this, and again then we need a scale only. So best part is keep your scale. Now I'll show you again. I got this one putty, right, which I have cut from here. Now I don't have to struggle much. I can keep the same putty on this, and I can mark and cut it. I can just keep it on that, and I can mark and cut it. Or I can take the scale again and I can keep it on this, as my measurement is confirmed now. This my scale is 1.25, so I am so much tensionless, right? So I have taken this scale. Now again one more I'll cut, because I need it for front and back, both the necks. I will show you how to join this cross putty also. So I have taken this 3 stripes. Okay, now I'll just cut this stripes also, and then I will show you how to join, because I cannot join these small pieces. and we are not going to get big piece also. And even we have a cloth also, we should not waste that for cutting those stripes. We should make those stripes, those cross patties from the remaining waste cloth only. We should not take one fresh cloth and do this. We should take out this from the waste piece of cloth only. So now I have those 3 cross patties, you can see, right? So now how to join this cross patty? You can just see here now. There is a triangle shape here. There is a triangle shape which you don't have to create. It will come automatically. On this triangle shape, you keep this triangle shape. And see this, it's ready. Now, how to join this? First you keep this, okay? Then just turn it and bring it on that. See, again I'll show you. Just keep it like this and then just turn and bring it on this. Now when you bring on this, make sure this corner and this corner is outside. Just 1/4 inch it should be outside. See, you can see one triangle here also, and you can see this triangle here also. Both side I have triangle. You should not try to take it on just one side. Don't try this way, otherwise what will happen? You will get the patti improper. It won't be proper. But if you keep a triangle space, a quarter space both the sides, see in this way, see this, you will get a proper patti. I will show you this now. I will stitch on this and I will show you. So where you have to stitch, leave a 1/2 inch and stitch on it. I will show you now this. I have stitched this. Now see this, I'll just cut the extra. Okay, see this now. Here little and here little. Okay, what I will do now, I will turn this. See, so nicely it came. Whatever here extra I have, that I will cut it. Okay. Now this way we have to create 3 to 4 pattis according to our requirement. Okay, I have done this one. This way you can add as much as you want. I'll show you one more here. Again I'll take that one more piece. I'll keep it like this. Okay, I will turn it and I will turn it in a way that I have 1/4 inch here extra and I have 1/4 inch here extra. Okay, and then I will stitch on 1/2 inch. Okay, that you understood. But by mistake, if you take this here, see, it looks so nice, right? It looks so nice. There are no points, nothing. But what will happen if you stitch in this way? What you will get, I will show you now. I have taken, see, I'll show you what is the wrong way. This was the wrong way. I'll keep it here and I will turn it and I will try to keep it exact according to the measurement, and I will stitch on this and you see what happens. Okay, so I'm stitching on this now. See this now, I have stitched it, right? I have kept it exactly on that and I have stitched on this. So what happened now when I opening it? See what happened? See, it's not proper, right? But instead of that, when I did this and I kept 1/4 inch here 1/4 inch here extra and 1/4 inch here extra, and then I have stitched keeping 1/2 inch margin. See, so beautiful patti I got. See this one, and you can see this one. See, so much difference there is, right? See, again I'll show you in a position how did I keep. See this and see this. Okay, hope you understood. I'll just remove this because it's of no use, because we cannot stitch this way, right? Okay, now I will show you how to join a patti to the dress. So how should we join the patti to the dress? First of, I will take my dress which I have already cut and kept. I have taken this round neck. Okay, so what I will do, I will take my cross patti, and first this on the starting there is a triangle. First of all, I will remove this triangle. So first I will make it straight. Okay, so I made it straight here. Then what I will do, I will start placing on this neck now. I will start placing on this neck, and if you want, if you are not confident because you are very new, you can just pin it up on the outer side, not an issue, till you learn properly. Okay, you can pin it up, but make sure you pull this inner side. You should not pull the dress neck. Try to avoid pulling the dress neck. You can pull the upper patti, but again, where should I pull the upper patti? Not here. I can pull on this neck side. So what I will do, slowly I'll start pulling this up cross patti on the neck side, and I will pin it up and keep. Later on, when you are okay, when you are expert, you don't need to pin it up also. You can stitch it directly. Again, I am pulling here. I can pull this upper portion, but I should not pull the below portion. And again, I will pin it up. So that way you can pin it up fully and you can stitch it. Now I will show you directly, because I don't need to pin it up because I can stitch it easily. But when you face a problem, you can pin it up. Okay. So I will start here directly. You just see that how I am doing. My thread has come out. Let me put that first. Done. Now I am taking my neck, and on the outer side, not inner side. Inner side we cannot do this. We have to take it from the outside, and then we are going to turn inside. Okay, I'll explain you that later on. At present, I am just keeping this cross patti on my neck part. Okay, so here I am starting now. I have kept it properly, and I am starting the stitching. Stitching, I will leave the 1/4 inch and I will start stitching. I will stitch leaving the 1/4 inch. So I am starting here. First I will give my back stitch, and then slowly I will start stitching here, and I will start pulling the upper piece, upper portion. I will pull it and I will stitch. Here one more tip I want to give you. When you are stitching anything, you try to make sure that you keep your one hand here. So that gives you nice stiffness, and it pulls, the cloth pulls, and your stitch comes very nice. First what you do, you pull this upper part and keep your shape properly on the dress, and then you can hold one hand this side, outer side of the machine. This is very professional way of stitching actually, and then stitch it. You will get a very beautiful finishing. Again I am keeping this my cross patti on the neck, and I am trying to set it. Again I am keeping my cross patti on the neck, and I am stitching it. Same way I will continue my whole neck. You can see full video in detail. See, I am doing this. Yes, I am on the curve now. I will go slowly, very slowly. I am going to stitch all this. Again I'm keeping it because it's a curvy part. I have to keep the patience and I have to stitch. I cannot go very fast. I have to go very slow. So I'm doing this now. I did this, and yes, again I'm doing this and pulling it. Yes, almost done. Still more little left. Yes, and now the straight part. So it's very easy. Straight part you don't have to struggle more. I'm done. So I'll just show you now. See what I did. I have stitched on this. So it has come so beautiful. See, this is extra. Whatever has come up, that we are going to fold it and we have to bind it. Okay. Now first thing what I will do, I don't want this extra one. So I'll just cut it. If you want, you can keep it little extra for the safer side. Okay. Now I have done this. Now what is happening, if I bind it directly, what will happen? There are chances of unevenness. So what I will do, I will give small notches on those on this round. I will just leave four fingers and I'll give straight notches. Again 4 fingers I will take, I will give a notch. Again 4 fingers I will give, I'll give a notch. 4 fingers and give a notch. I will turn my dress. I'll take again 4 fingers and I will give a notch till the end of the stitch. Okay, you should come to the end of the stitch. You should not just cut on the corner. See, this is a wrong method. This is a wrong method because your stitch is here. You should come till the point. You should come till this point. I mean point means I mean the stitching point. Okay. So now again come 4 fingers and give a notch. See, again come 4 fingers and give a notch. I gave a notch. Now what I have to do is, a very important part is a press stitch. I can bind it without giving a press stitch, but when I don't give any press stitch and I fold it, it becomes puffy. Now what is press stitch? Can you see this now? I am folding this. Come on the other side. First what we did, we have stitched this side. Now what I will do, I will turn my dress and I will come on the wrong side. Okay, now this is my wrong side. Wrong side means I will just make a marking here. This is my wrong side and this is my good side. Okay, so this is called good part and this is called bad part. Now I will come on the bad part and just see the neck. Again you can see this. Okay, now this good part, whatever you have stitched, if I take it simply, if I take it inside, it comes very puffy. It looks very puffy. It won't look very professional. So what we do, see, है ना? So what I will do, I'll just come back to my good part, okay, in a previous position, and on these edges, exactly near the joint part, I am going to give one stitch which is called press stitch. When I stitch here, we get a grip here and it becomes flat, it becomes plain, and then when I turn and take it back, it gives a beautiful finishing. So we are going to do that now. So first what I did, I had put the patti, then I have given the notches, and then I am giving a press stitch. Hope everyone is able to understand. My needle and thread has come out. Just give me a break of some time. I'll just put a needle, thread. Okay, now we are starting with the press stitch. Okay, I'm taking this. I'm going to stitch on this corner of this patti, not on the shoulder part. Okay, I'm going to stitch on this corner of the cross patti. Okay, this is a cross patti. So I'm just going to take it properly, that corner only has to come below the needle. Okay, it has done. Very slowly you do this because you should not go off bit. It's a round neck. Try to give good finishing. Yes, it's coming very nicely. Yes. Yes, it's looking very pretty also. So finished, it's looking. Yes. Keep turning because the neck is round. Okay. Make sure you keep turning. Otherwise, it will not give that much good finishing. Okay. If we simply start stitching, then there is a chance of overlapping. Okay. It won't happen generally, but there is a chance. Okay. So you are done now. It's done. So now what we will do, see, the press stitch is done. I have done the press stitch on this. Now this is a good part. I have to come to the bad part now. I came to the bad part. After coming to the bad part, what I am going to do, first folding I am going to give on this line. See, it's so easy. This full I will come on this press stitching, and then just I am going to give one more fold. So easy. You just see again. This is the position now. I am going to first fold on this press stitch, or you say with this margin. Here I will come. Okay, I'll close this, I'll cover this, and one more fold I will give. See, right? And then on this corner I am going to stitch, and you are done with your neck facing. So beautifully, so easy, so fast. We are done also. Stitch slowly, but because as it is a round neck, we should not take a chance. Okay. See. Always try to hold this side with the right hand. You will get a beautiful finishing, a professional finishing. It becomes stiff. When you hold that, it gets a grip actually. Fold it and give a stitch. Now fold it again and give a stitch. It's a round shape, that's why we have to go very slow. There is nothing like that, like a big machine or fast machine or slow machine. Everything depends on your speed. How your leg will move on the accelerator, it depends on that. So people think that, oh, it's a power machine, so it will run fast only. Nothing is, there is nothing like that. So it's all about how you press your leg. So if you press it slowly, yes, your stitches will come very slow. Now this is also a power machine. It's a jack machine, jack, chuki you can say. So these machines are very heavy duty machine, professional machines. So if we just press it little heavy, it will go very speed. But if we control and press it, it will come very graceful. See, I have done very nicely, and see the finishing has come so beautifully. See, so beautiful it has come, so nice. See the neck. Hope you understood the lesson. This is a cross patti, and cross patti we use it generally for the round type of neck. Again I'll show you. This is the cross patti. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel, give likes and give comments if you like something. Thank you so much.